Cancel the order? What do you mean cancel the order? I already calculated the commission on that deal. I already spent the commission on that deal. Now look, customers have plenty of negative influences on their lives. And all the while, life is happening while they're going through this purchase process with you. It is no wonder that from time to time, your customers are going to come across some negative overload. Hey, guess what? Someone needs to provide a positive counterbalance to the negative in their life. And that someone is? It's you. You don't see yourself here? Oh, I guess it doesn't work that way. There's a big problem that salespeople have with it. Customer gets excited, customer says yes, and then the salesperson turns into this procedural beast. Here's what we got to do, and you got to sign all this, and this is what has to happen in order to make sure that this gets deal and I get paid. No. We can't look at it that way because it's not good for your customer. Your job is to maintain positive energy. And by that I mean you have to maintain your customer's positive energy. So let's get into it and we'll talk about the chemical neuroscience behind that purchase decision. This is your brain. Got it? This is your brain when you're buying stuff. Have I lost anyone yet? Look, why is shopping fun? Why is it fun to buy stuff? Now here's the way it works. When we're anticipating buying something, there's a chemical release in the brain. The chemical release is a hormone called dopamine. It's the happy hormone. So dopamine happens when we find something new and fun and exciting. But what's really important, it's a critical factor, it's the anticipation that releases the dopamine. It's the anticipation that makes it fun and new and exciting. So what happens? You see the shoes, you love the shoes. I love the shoes. I want to buy the shoes. That's the dopamine urging you on to make that decision. So you buy the shoes and you are one happy camper walking away from the cash register. So the decision is made, it's all good, right? Yeah, except for one thing. That dopamine is going to go away. And when that dopamine goes away, along comes dopamine's sinister cousin, cortisol. Now, cortisol is the stress hormone. There's a chemical reaction in our brain, and it causes us to perk up and say, what have I done? And that fear sets in. The fear of having made a mistake, the fear of a poor decision, the fear of regretting what you were going to do, the fear of whether you overpaid. All of these things are releasing that stress called cortisol in your customer's brain. It's overwhelming, it's debilitating, and if we don't do something about it, eventually your customer is going to go on overload. They just can't take it anymore. See, these people are acting on emotion, but it's the wrong emotion. The last thing that we want is that emotion-based walk-away, that emotion-based cancellation. So what are we going to do about it? This is where you come into play. You got to be strategic about this. There are 3 things that you have to do in every conversation with your customer. Number 1, you have to maintain the positive energy. You have to. That means you carry it into the conversation. If this sounds like a dry procedural call, you're going to set the emotional tone right out of the gate, and that's a real problem. Make sure you smile before you dial. Second thing I want to suggest is get them back to what they love. Why did they love what you were selling in the first place? Take them back to that moment and let them relive the dopamine that was so strong. And then finally, remember that they're closer and closer to the better life to come. Keep them connected on their goals and what their life is going to look like. Like, the fact of the matter is that buyer's remorse is real, but it is oftentimes preventable. You have to be strategic. You got to get in front of them. Your customer's going through a tough time. Your job as a salesperson, make it easy for them to do what they want to do anyway. Hey, thanks for watching once again. Would you do us a huge favor? Would you just copy this link and post it in your social media feed? Let's get other people involved in the 5-minute sales training. Let's spread the love around a little bit. And if you're enjoying it, make sure you subscribe and sign up for our emails over at jeffshore.com. Click on that little green icon. Yes, I want that. We'll make sure you get 5-minute sales training to your inbox every Saturday morning. And remember, learn more to earn more.